Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make mint chocolate chip pudding cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick softened, 1 egg, a half a cup of sour cream, 1 small box of instant vanilla pudding mix, which is 3.4 ounces, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which I have in this big bowl up here. And then you need 2 teaspoons of mint extract, 10 to 15 drops of green food coloring, 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using the milk chocolate, but you can use any kind that you want. And then I'm using a half a cup of the Andes mints. And I just crushed those up with a butter knife. I got this package at Dollar Tree for $1, and I used the entire package. And it says on the back that it is processed in a plant that does not use peanuts or tree nuts or gluten. If you can read that there, it's kind of blurry, but. Or if you don't want to use the Andes mints, you can just use 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to preheat our oven to 375 and spray a cookie sheet or line it with parchment paper. Okay, next we want to cream together our softened butter with our sugar with an electric mixer until it's nice and combined. All right, that looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to add the egg, sour cream, and pudding mix and just go ahead and mix it again. Man, that really smells good. Okay, that looks good to me. So next, set that to the side, and we're just going to whisk our dry ingredients over here together. So I already have my flour. I'm just going to add my salt and my baking soda, and I'm just going to whisk that together with a whisk. Okay, that looks great. So I'm just going to add this dry mixture into this wet and mix it a little at a time until it's all incorporated. Alright, this dough is pretty thick, so I did as much as I could with my mixer, and then I just went ahead and used a spatula for the rest. So now we are going to add in our mint, and then our food coloring until we reach our desired color that we want. Okay, I am happy with that green color, so I am going to stop there. So next we are just going to go ahead and add in our chocolate chips and our Andes mints, and just go ahead and fold those in with your spatula. Alright, that looks great to me, so I'm just going to use a cookie scoop and drop these by round tablespoonfuls onto my parchment-lined baking sheet. Alright, this first batch is ready to go into the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, my first batch just came out of the oven and they smell and look delicious. So I'm going to let them sit here for a few minutes before I transfer them to a cooling rack to let them cool completely. Cookies are out of the oven and all cooled, and they just look so great and so green for St. Patrick's Day, and they just taste awesome. So let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Bye.
Bye.